Hello everyone, this is Matt from Ottawa Dodge here again. Today I'm standing in front of this beautiful white 2015 Honda Civic Touring, 108,000 kilometers, and this vehicle is fully loaded. I'm going to take you for a little quick walk around, show you all the features that this car has in store. Just give me 1 second, we'll turn the camera around for you. Now as we look at the vehicle itself, walking around the outside of it, as we can see, nice beautiful white color. 2015, but definitely free of scratches, dings, dents. This is one clean car, no accidents on it at all. And as we can see on the sunroof, we got on the top there, nice power sunroof for the vehicle. Walking around to the back, you can see it is the Civic Touring trim level. I'm now gonna go take you on a little tour of the inside of the vehicle. We're now sitting on the inside of this vehicle in the driver's seat, so I can show you some of the features that this Civic has for you. As we said before, pretty fully loaded vehicle. If we scan up, we can see the sunroof with the power function to it to open up the windows. Nice aggressive look for the in-clustered display, as well as a large touch screen with everything you would need, including your radio and your navigation already built into it. Scanning down a little bit more, we have all of our climate controls, as well as the heated seats for both the driver and passenger side windows. As you can see, looking over, we also have full leather seats, making this fully equipped Honda Civic. There we have it. I hope you found this walk around pretty informative. Let us know here at Ottawa Dodge if you have any questions, if you'd like to come in and book a test drive. Thank you very much.